Hi everyone! So today we're going to start off with a technique called the whip stitch, where you really insert the thread from one point to the other. It's very simple, very easy, very quick. So it's something that you can do with anything, any materials that you have at home. So in this case I used a leaf, and this is just to show you guys in perspective of how I really placed the leaf and played around with it. So the next technique I'm going to be showing you guys is called the French knot. So the French knot looks more or less kind of like a knot, a knotted flower almost. So the first thing you have to do is insert your needle through the point that you want to start off from, and then you have to twist the thread through the needle 2 to 3 times depending on the thickness that you want for the knot, and then you just push it through. And you basically do that throughout wherever you want to cover from the leaf, basically, or any other materials that you're going to use in your project. And this is more of the photo shoots of the leaf. And the final technique I'm going to be showing you guys is called the cross stitch technique, where you start from one point and you go to the other. So in this case I'm going from my right to left, and you're just going to push that through, and then I'm going to go from my left to right. And then you can really cover the whole patch of this tea bag depending on how much you really want to cover. In this case I covered the whole patch just to see, and really to challenge myself as well in a sense. And this is just to show you how much I've done and the final amount that I got to finish on this tea bag. Now, to take this experiment further, using really unconventional materials, I would say would be you can even applicate these materials onto fabric, or use patchwork, which is a great way to really showcase your development from going from just a leaf to the fabric and creating texture. So that's a great way to showcase this for your portfolios by photographing it and really developing it, playing with drawings and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope that really inspires you guys to do some more experiments at home, and thank you for watching.